Programming a pattern combination. You can program stitch patterns as well as letters to make a pattern combination. For example, press the Decorative and Quilting Stitches category and press Kids, K, Group. Press the Program key so you can program the pattern combination. Select Pattern 5. Press the Monogramming tab and press Broadway. Select uppercase letter A. Select uppercase letter B. Press the Decorative and Quilting Stitches category and press Kids, K, Group. Press the Mirror Image key. Select Pattern 5. Select the lock stitch. Start the machine. The machine will sew the pattern combination, lock off the stitches at the end and then stop automatically. Press the thread cutter button and the machine will trim the threads.